Hey guys, this is Fu from Avocode, and today we're releasing a major update of the Avocode app. And for such a long time, this has been heavily requested by you guys. And of course, it's about the sketch upload. From now on, you can import any sketch designs into Avocode on whatever platform you're using. Let me show you how it works. It works on Linux, it works on Windows, it works on Mac if you don't have the Sketch app installed. And it even works in the browser. Once the design is uploaded, you can open it, inspect and export any of its layers even without setting them as an exportable inside of Sketch. Now we've also added one handy feature into this update, and that's the ability to inspect symbols with overrides within the design. You no longer have to open the symbol to access all of its layers, but you can just select them right in the design like I'm showing you right now. But of course, if you ever need to access the original layers from the symbol, you can just select the symbol and click on Open Symbol button, right? So that's it from this update today. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time.